But it kind of gets you a little relationship to where everything is. My covered arena is behind you. This is the alley that the cows come in. My cows are out back there. This is my tie line. I have it in this alley. I have it in this contained area intentionally. That way, if they get loose, they're still caught. They're not out loose someplace. This is Brody. He needs some practice being patient. And so I wanted to show you my tie line. It's been a little bit of time since I've done it. Basically, it's just a rope between two trees that I bought at Lowe's. Nothing special. At the bottom, I do have the swivel. This came from Lowe's or hardware store. Just swivels right here. That's what's special about it. But that way, if I have a horse out here that's walking circles, he's not going to get twisted up. See how Brody's all nervous out here. It's windy. Trees are rustling. He don't have a babysitter. So this is where he needs some practice. He can be out here and stand tied for hours at a time. And he was actually tied out here most of the day yesterday. And looks like he'll spend most of the day today tied out here. Just to learn to be tied. Those tapes will flutter back and forth, that electric tape. And he'll get used to that. Cows will be behind him and he'll get used to all that. So this is my tie line that I tie horses to that don't know how to be tied. Works really good because they can move around in circles. They can go forward, they can pull back. The tie line will give, but it's not going to break. And if they lunge forward after they pull back, they're not going to bang their head into a post or a wall or anything like that. So this is my patience line. And any of the horses that need patience, this is where they get put. And right now, Brody needs some patience. Until next time, thank you for watching.